This one is a 1964 Smith Corona Classic 12. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is a dark gray. So to set the margins, you just use your finger and push these buttons here. It's set up about the same size as this page. Also has this paper tray back here. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you have to line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick. Type a sentence real quick with red. To switch to the red part of the ribbon, you flip that down. Type's really nice. This is one of my most popular models. I'll show you the print up close. Got really nice print. These are made for daily typing. This type of model, you could type on this all day long and not even get tired. So if you flip this switch right here forward, you can pull the paper out easily. It also allows you to load thick paper like carbon copy or cardstock. It's got a resistance spring here, low, medium, and high. I like to keep it on low. That just means you don't have to hit the keys as hard. Switch that back up to black. It's got a tab function. So if we set a tab right here, it will bring you to that tab and you can clear it with that. This will do a double or a triple space. So when you hit the line space, it'll do 2 or 3. That works good. It's got a backspace on the top left here. Brings you back 1 space. It's got a carriage release on each side here. Allows you to move the carriage freely. Inside we have the spool area and the key bed. You could switch the ribbon direction with this switch here. If you flip it back, it'll start pulling to this side. Since all the ribbon is on this side and we want it to pull to that side, you just flip it forward. And now it pulls to that side, so that works good. It's got a power space on this model. It's a pretty cool function. It also has a half space. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.